jungle, there was a huge tree. And want to know who all live on that huge tree? There lived owl, sparrow, and crow. And see who's coming. Oh, it's a parrot. And his name is Gappu because he talks too much and keeps on talking. Let's see what he is saying to his friends. Hello, Mr. Owl. Do you know I can even fly higher than the eagle? And Miss Sparrow, let me tell you that my voice is as sweet as cuckoo. And I can sing a song if you want to listen. No? Maybe some other day. And Mr. Crow, let me clear you that I can also see in dark at night, like owl. And at that time came a new friend. Now let's see who's this new friend. Oh, it's a pigeon.
Hello guys, who's Mr. Gappu here? I want to meet him.
I am Gappu. See friends, I am so famous, no? Everybody knows me. And do you know why am I so famous? Because I'm a royal parrot. And I'm King's favorite too. And also I have a huge treasure. I can even buy this tree and jungle. See, I'm so rich.
Oh, is it so?
Of course.
Actually, I'm here to find a parrot for my king so that we can make him a royal parrot. But as you're already a royal parrot and you have so much wealth, so I have to find another parrot for my king now. Okay then. Bye bye guys. I have to go. I have lots of work.
Oh no! Don't go! Don't go, pigeon! Please